kids! Today we are going to do a cooking project in this video, and we're going to work on some math concepts of measuring and also fractions. And it's also science. So we have a little visual recipe here for frozen s'mores. And this is the recipe we're making for our end of the year party. So I've got all my ingredients here. We have mini chocolate chips, mini marshmallows, whipped topping, and graham crackers. And then I have my measuring cups. So I have a 1 cup, which is one whole. So if you think of a pizza, it would be the whole thing. That's the 1 cup. Then I have a half of a cup. So there's 1/2. So if you think of that pizza again, it's just half of that pizza, 1/2. And then I have a 1/4 of a cup, 1/4. So if you cut that pizza into 4 pieces, there's 1/4 of a cup. So each fraction is a part. So those are our 3 measuring cups that we're going to use. So let's look at the recipe. First step is pour the chocolate chips and the marshmallows into the bowl. And we need 1/2 cup of mini chocolate chips. So here we go. I'm gonna get the 1/2 cup and pour the mini chocolate chips in. I wish we were together doing this like we do in our OT speech groups. Okay, 1/2 cup of chocolate chips in the bowl. Then we need a 2/3. That's a different measurement. Here's a third. A third would be if you cut things into 3, that would be 1/3, but I need 2 of those, 2/3. It's almost a whole cup. So I have a 1/3 cup measuring cup over here too, and we're gonna do 2 of those, 2/3 for the marshmallows. 1, 2/3. Okay, then we need 2 cups of the whipped topping. Step 2 is to pour in the whipped topping. So we need 2 cups of that. So here's my 1 cup. I got the whipped topping. We're gonna put 2 of those in there. 1 and 2. 2 cups of whipped topping. Ooh, this is looking yummy. Okay, now the next step is to stir it. So we have to stir that all together. Stir that all together. Stir, 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 stir. It's looking good. What do you think? Are these gonna be yummy? Then we get the graham crackers, and the next step says break graham cracker into 2 pieces. So I'm gonna get a graham cracker and check this out. 1 whole graham cracker, break it in half. I have 2 halves. So there we go, half. Now we're gonna scoop mixture onto the graham cracker. Here we go. That looks delicious. Then the next step is put another graham cracker on top. So put another graham cracker on top. Then we're gonna put it in the freezer for 1 hour. Another measurement, the measurement of time, for 1 hour. So it's about 11 o'clock now. In 1 hour it'll be 12 o'clock. And then at 1 o'clock I will see you at our party. I'm looking forward to it.